to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make basically a redstone armor crippler. So you just stand on the pressure plate and you have your sword, your shield, or your armor equipped. All you need is any block of choice, any slab of choice, and you need two blocks, which is one stone slab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the dispensers. Pressure plate, this, and pretty sure that's it. You can do that, and to place dispensers on top of dispensers. Normally to build you just do that, but you have to shift then click so you don't open its inventory. So you can place it like that. Put that there. Destroy that. Add redstone there. Redstone there. Shift click that. Boom. Wait, no. So you need, pretty sure you need 3 blocks of choice then. Because you don't need to have the block of that. So yeah. Then you do that. And boom, that's it. I'm gonna cover that up. You don't have to, but you can. Now, put your armor. It doesn't matter what armor it is. No, it doesn't matter where they go. I just. If you want a sword, you can have a sword. If you want a shield, you can have a shield. I just told cat. And now, boom, you have almost a cripple, whatever you want to call it. And if you try to use it whenever you already have armor on, it'll just put the armor in your inventory. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Really short, but it's also really easy to do that. So yeah.